Hello, this is Chris Hoover, and today I'm going to be doing a Carpuject IV push. We have an order for 1 milligram dilaudid. In this container there's 2 milliliters with 1 milligram per milliliter, so I'm going to have to waste 1 milliliter. I'm going to hook this guy up. Okay. I'm going to get the bubbles out first. Now I'm going to waste 1 milliliter. Alright, now I have 1 milliliter. So I'm going to recap it. Now I've done my 2 checks. I'm going to go to the patient side. I'm going to check their wristband for date of birth and name. Then I'll do my 3rd check at the bedside. So we have the right patient. Now I'm going to swab 15 seconds. And while I'm swabbing, I'll look at the catheter site for any signs of phlebitis or extravasation or infiltration. Okay. Have to be swabbed. Okay. I'm gonna hook this up. I'm gonna pull back because I want blood return. Let's say we have blood return. I'm gonna flush. Okay. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna get this medication. I'm gonna hook it up. Now with dilaudid, I'm going to push over 2 minutes, according to the drug guide. I'm going to push a quarter, since this can hold, since this holds 0.6 milliliters. I'm going to push the first 0.5. Okay, now I'm going to push slow. So over 1 minute for this ½ milliliter. Okay, I'm going to grab my saline flush and I'm going to push the last half over a minute, the last ½ milliliter. Okay, and now I'm just gonna do a regular flush. All right. Now I'm going to check on the patient in 15 minutes to see how they respond to the drug, and I am done with my Carpuject infusion.